Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Volvo C30 T5. This two-door hatchback has a 5-cylinder, 2.5-liter i5 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Volvo has less than 95,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power steering, power windows, external temperature display, child seat anchors, stability control, traction control, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.